Today we're making a simple cottage cheese cookie with apples and cinnamon. It's soft on the inside and incredibly aromatic. Place 200 grams of soft cottage cheese into a bowl. If your cottage cheese is grainy, mash it well with a fork. In a separate bowl, crack 1 egg. Add the egg to the cottage cheese and mix. Add 2/3 of a teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Pour in 50 milliliters of vegetable oil. Mix everything well until smooth and uniform. If you enjoy simple homemade recipes like this one, subscribe to the channel. There's lots more delicious food coming. Add 200 grams of flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. The dough comes together easily and quickly, becoming soft and pliable. At first it will be sticky, but as the flour is absorbed, it becomes smoother. Do not overknead the dough so it stays tender. Let the dough rest for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, peel 1 apple and cut it into small pieces. The apple can be replaced with a pear, egg, or other of your favorite fruits. Add the apple to the dough and gently mix again. You can cut the apple even finer if you prefer. Apples will give the cookies a pleasant and aromatic sourness. Transfer the dough to a silicone mat or a lightly floured surface. Knead briefly to remove stickiness. Shape it into a log and cut into small pieces. Quickly roll each piece into a bowl. Prepare all the dough balls this way. In a bowl, combine 100 grams of powdered sugar with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Instead of powdered sugar, you can use regular sugar. Then the cookies will turn out grainy. Roll each dough ball in this mixture. Place the cookies on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 20 minutes. The apple and cinnamon cookies turn out golden, soft, and very aromatic. They have a light golden crust on the outside and a tender texture inside, with juicy apple pieces and warm cinnamon notes. This is the kind of gentle, homemade cookie we end up with. Thank you for being with me. Subscribe to the channel and see you at the next delicious recipe.